Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys a Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use guys real time network speed setting and how to show network speed on status bar. Friends, you want to check your mobile network speed, mobile Wi-Fi network speed. So how to check and use in this video friends, we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone device. Friends, click on Realme phone, notification and status bar setting. After on guys notification and status bar, friends you want to off and you want to on any app notification on your Realme phone device, you can on, and friends you can off app notification from here guys. So friends, click on, and friends you want to off your lock screen notification, you want to on, so you can on from here also. Friends, you can see battery percentage. Friends, you want to off your Realme phone battery percentage, you can off. You want to show battery percentage, so you can show battery percentage on your Realme phone device. Friends, click on real time network speed setting on. After on guys, come back. Friends, on your mobile network, and friends you can connect any Wi-Fi network also. After on guys your mobile network and connect any Wi-Fi network, friends you can check your network speed here. As you can see, network speed will show on status bar. And friends, if you off your real-time network speed, friends we cannot check Wi-Fi network speed and mobile network speed. You want to check, so friends click here, and friends your network speed will show on your status bar, and you can check your Wi-Fi network speed and your mobile network speed. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use real-time network speed. Friends, you don't want to use your real-time network speed, you can turn off from here guys. So I hope friends you understood how to show and off real-time network speed in Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching.